to the Yellow-Tinted Meadow Home, a haven where nature and tranquility meet in perfect harmony. Imagine a place where the golden hues of the setting sun kiss the edges of your doorstep, and the soft breeze carries the scent of wildflowers. This is more than just a home. It's an escape, a lifestyle, a sanctuary for the soul. Today, I'm excited to share with you the beauty and charm of this magical yellow-tinted home, nestled right in the heart of nature. Whether you're a fan of cozy interiors or breathtaking views, this home offers it all. So come on in and let's explore. The exterior of the Yellow-Tinted Meadow Home embraces the essence of warmth and serenity. Its inviting yellow hue creates an atmosphere of comfort, making it feel like a personal retreat right out of a storybook. The large windows allow natural light to pour in, while the lush greenery surrounding the house blends seamlessly with the landscape. Now let's step inside. The living room is where the magic truly begins, with its earthy tones, plush seating, and walls lined with shelves full of books. It feels like a place you never want to leave. But what makes this room extra special are these incredible windows, giving you a panoramic view of the meadow, no matter where you sit. Moving into the heart of the home, the kitchen, where every meal becomes an experience. The warm wooden accents here mirror the home's cozy vibe, and the open layout ensures that no one misses out on the conversation while cooking. It's a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern convenience. When it comes to rest and relaxation, this bedroom is truly a retreat. Soft, neutral tones mixed with subtle pops of yellow create a calming atmosphere, and the view from this window, simply unbeatable. Imagine waking up every day to the sight of the sun rising over a sea of wildflowers. It's nothing short of magical. outside, the magic continues. This backyard is an extension of the home's charm, a peaceful oasis where you can unwind, entertain, or simply take in the beauty of the meadow. Whether you're enjoying a warm summer evening around the fire pit or lying back in the hammock with a good book, it's the perfect place to embrace the simple joys of life. This home isn't just beautiful, it's also eco-friendly. From the solar panels on the roof to the rainwater collection system, this house embraces sustainability at every turn. Plus, with its own little vegetable garden, you can enjoy fresh produce right from your own backyard. The Yellow-Tinted Meadow Home is more than just a place to live. It's a lifestyle, one that celebrates nature, warmth, and simplicity. It's a reminder that the best things in life are often the simplest: fresh air, beautiful surroundings, and a home that brings peace to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. If you love this home as much as I do, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tours like this. Until next time, stay cozy and take care.